Welcome aboard. Today, we are embarking on an adventure to explore the scenic beauty of Owen Sound, Ontario. Get ready to witness the wonders that Owen Sound has to offer. Before we take off, take a moment to explore the historical display of Billy Bishop, a legendary World War I Canadian pilot. Now, let's hop aboard our trusty Cessna. Cessnas are renowned for their reliability and versatility, perfect for a scenic flight like this. Our Cessna is a marvel of engineering, offering a smooth and comfortable ride as we soar through the skies. As our pilot prepares to start the engine, get ready for an extraordinary experience. And we're off. As we ascend, the landscape unfolds before our eyes, revealing vast farmlands and picturesque scenery around the airport. Now, as we fly over Owen Sound, you'll witness the beauty of the harbor and the city from above. There are 3 breathtaking waterfalls that surround Owen Sound. You'll see Inglis Falls here. As we continue our flight, you'll notice the vibrant businesses lining the Sunset Strip. coastline stretches out before us, offering a mesmerizing view of the shore. Look below, and you'll see the well-maintained baseball diamonds and lush golf courses, adding to the charm of Owen Sound. Our flight takes us over the rich farmland surrounding Owen Sound, showcasing the natural beauty of the area. As we make our way back for landing, take a moment to reflect on the breathtaking views we've experienced. Owen Sound Flight Services offers this awe-inspiring tour, so you can witness the beauty of Owen Sound from a whole new perspective. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this journey is one you